Hello everyone, Disha here again with my channel Your Future with Disha. This channel is all about palmistry, Vedic astrology, and also about the healing, Reiki healing. And also I'll talk about the Vedic mantras. So this channel speaks about hands speak, energy heals, mantras transform. We are talking about today about the retrograde planets in this video, and you have to check your natal chart, your Lagna chart. I'm not talking about the retrogression happens in the transits or in Gochara. This is about the planetary um, retrogression in your natal chart. So because when we have the retrograde planets in our natal chart, uh, we we say that we have some karmic debts to work on. If now one by one we'll go through all planets. If anyone has those planets in their natal chart or in their kundli, first I'll talk about the Jupiter retrograde planet. If you see you have the Jupiter retrograde planet in your natal chart or in your lagna chart or in your kundli, then I'll say that there's a past life pending karma regarding spiritual misalignments, and we say that sometimes there's a possibility of that you've been a teacher or preacher in your past lives, and you acquired a lot of wisdom and knowledge through that, but you were not on the, I say, on the dharmic path, and you became arrogant and also hypocritical, and you may have lost the path of your dharma. So what can be the symptoms with this alignment? I say that you may have so many doubts about your spiritual belief or your spiritual path you follow. You may be having ego for your knowledge, and you may struggle in believing that there's always a divine time for everything. And what can be the life lesson for this alignment? One should be humble towards the wisdom, and they should not be blindly optimistic. The second planet here, I'm going to talk about the Venus. If the Venus is retrograde in your Kundli or in your Lagna chart, I'm not talking here about the retrogression happens in the transit level. Here it is only if you have in your Lagna chart Venus retrograde. Then what can be the past life ending karma with this placement? The person may have involved in love, beauty, and attachments, and there must be intense romantic past lives involved with this placement. And also, the native may have misused the love, affection, sexuality, and always the may have chosen the pleasure over purpose. What can be the life symptoms in the current life? The person may feel finding it difficult to have the true love, and they have repeated breakups, may feel loneliness, and also feel unloved, may feel unloved, or there may be an attracting unavailable partners, and also there may be a struggle towards self-worth and acceptance. Now what can be the life lesson for this placement? It is learn to love without conditions and not seek validation outside. Now, here I will talk about the most karmic planet, about the Saturn retrogression. If you have Saturn retrograde in your natal chart, then it's called, we can say that it's the most karmic uh, alignment in the chart. And what can be the past life ending karma connected with this? We often say that it indicates unresolved karmic patterns from the past lives, particularly related to the negative shifting the responsibilities, misusing your anger, or avoiding the duties. So Saturn is connected with the responsibilities and duties, so the native may have misused it in the past lives. And now, um, as a pending karma symptoms in current life, what we can have it is maybe tendency to misuse knowledge for personal status or ego, and the other possibility is difficulty trusting divine timing and spiritual guidance. Now, every symptoms we get in this life, there must be some life lesson behind that. And what can be the life lesson with this placement is embrace humble wisdom and grounded discipline over blind optimism or escapism. So that should be our lesson. We should not be blind, over optimistic, or we should not escape from the responsibilities or duties. Now, here we'll talk about the third fourth placement of, like, if you have the Mars retrograde in your natal chart, what can be the past life pending karma with that? It suggests that there must be unresolved karmic patterns involving misused power or suppressed anger in the past life. Yeah, the native may have been a warrior who had fled the field without battling, or may have they have abused someone with aggression and domination. And what can be the current life symptoms if a person has the Mars retrograde? There's a difficulty asserting themselves, and they have lingering inner rage or guilt. Sudden outburst of anger is possible, and complete emotional withdrawal is also being seen. Now, what can be the life lesson here? Uh, Cultivate balanced power. Learn to respond with awareness rather than react impulsively. Here we'll talk about the karmic debt connected with the Mercury retrograde in your natal chart. Mercury is the fastest moving planet. Whatever planets we consider in Vedic astrology. Then what is the past life pending karma with Mercury retrograde? If a native has a Mercury retrograde in their natal chart, the person may have misused communication or manipulated truth or distort the facts, and not uh, withhold the crucial information for their personal gain or self protection. So they could have been an advisor or messenger, or knowingly and unknowingly they have misused or misled others. What can be the current life symptoms here? Now, difficulty expressing themselves clearly, overthinking, anxiety, self doubt regarding their intellect, and also they may have frequent misunderstanding with others. What is the life lesson in this lifetime? The person has to think, speak, and make decisions with clarity, integrity, and conscious awareness. There is a possibility of getting one or two planets in your natal chart in a retrograde form. So, whenever you see that you have a retrograde planets in your natal chart, there's a spiritual meaning behind that. And I say that retrogression is retrograde. Having a retrograde planet in your natal chart is not a punishment; it's a second chance given from the universe to complete what your soul left unfinished in the past life. So what you should do is you have to internalize your energy, turning your focus inward, and you have to prompt and reflect, refine, and realign. uh, the native who have any retrograde planet, one, two, or three, then they serve as cosmic mentors guiding you back to the karmic connection, and the true growth happens. Now, if you see the retrograde planets in your Lagna chart, don't see them as your weaknesses. They are the map to your soul's redemption. Now, if you want to check, do you have any retrograde planets in your natal chart, please go to my website. And if you want to book a personalized reading with me to uncover your karmic path, book a session and have the reading done on my website, yourfuturewithdisha.com. Thank you.